Do you know what the sizes I have taken for this house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan of this tiny house, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 13 feet in meter 4 meter and the length is 26 feet in meter 7.92 meter. In the front we have 3 feet wide outdoor sitting area and sliding door. After that we will go inside, so we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. On the left side you can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and on the right side we have dining counter with 2 chairs. Also you can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and TV unit on the front wall, and large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose, and we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of kitchen area also. On the right side we have 1 feet wide setback area. And if we go inside, so we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this room. Another side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.